Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas, Day 12. Christmas in the Philippines is not just about decorations like vibrant Christmas lights, especially the Parol, a star-shaped Christmas lantern. It's not solely about gifts wrapped and placed under the Christmas tree, or about enjoying Puto Bumbong, a Filipino purple rice cake steamed in bamboo tubes, and Bibingka, a baked rice cake wrapped in banana leaves. After attending the Simbang Gabi, a series of 9 Christmas masses leading up to Christmas Day. Additionally, it involves caroling, where groups of children go from house to house singing Christmas carols. The celebration also includes Noche Buena, a festive family gathering on Christmas Eve for a special feast, as well as reunions and parties where friends and family participate in Munito-Munita, a gift exchange. However, the true meaning of Christmas goes beyond these festivities. It's a time to pause, to reflect, and thank Jesus for the blessings He has given us throughout the year. He is the reason for our existence and for all that we have. Rather than focusing solely on material things, we should cherish our spiritual blessings instead. Even the smallest acts of gratitude bring joy to Him. It's about sharing our blessings with others, especially those who cannot repay us, and giving without expecting anything in return. This is the true essence of Christmas. As I conclude my 12 Days of Christmas special, I'd like to share what's inside my festive beaded handbag. This is my bag of the day. This is a beautiful beaded design I got from Shein. I would love to share with you what I have inside my Christmas handbag. This looks like candy, colorful candies that are beaded together. So pretty, so beautiful, so fun, and so festive. Now, I'll share with you what I have inside my Christmas bag. It doesn't have any lock. It just closed like so. So let's open. Let's see. This is my new wallet. This is Victoria's Secret card holder with a keyring. And I have my cards, most used cards, placed it there, and I don't have anything at the back at the moment. That's the first thing inside. Then I have Kleenex tissue. I have Tic Tac. And then I also have my new key holder, coin purse key holder that looks like the clay of Louis Vuitton, but this is from Dress Up Your Purse. Holographic key case. And I have my keys right there inside. Easy to get and easy to put back. And I think I still have some more room in case I carry more keys. So pretty and girly. I love this key case. And I wish to have more of this kind, more of this style from Dress Up Your Purse. And I have here small cute pen that has some stars. And this is just a lipstick type pen. Also in pink. And I have here, this is my phone case, Human Nature, natural hand and foot salve. The scent is invigorating eucalyptus, and I use this for my dry hands. Then I have foldable comb, My Melody foldable comb. Look at the glitter, so pretty. This is My Melody foldable compact mirror. So pretty. I love this. So those are just the things that I have inside my bag, inside this beautiful, colorful, fun, festive handbag that I'm using this Christmas day. This is my bag for the day. How fun it is to have this very colorful and festive bag for Christmas. Here are all the things that I have inside my bag. Here are the things that fits inside my small beaded bag, my small fun and colorful Christmas handbag. Even though it's small, it fits most of my basic essentials. And most importantly, it's fun. I want to express my deepest gratitude for joining me in this special Christmas celebration. I wish you warmest greetings and many blessings. Happy Christmas, everyone!